Hey guys, it's Mercedes, also known as That Mom here on the internet, and today we are back with a really quick kind of impromptu video. But first, I must bring attention to my shirt, and I'm going to give it a pan down to my shirt because I just messed up my knee and I cannot stand up gracefully right now. So this pan is my shirt. Whee! And this was done for one of the bands that I absolutely love. I actually have them tattooed on my skin. It is for the band Horror Pops, and their singer this year, earlier in the year, had announced that she was diagnosed with cancer, and right now I believe she is in remission in between basically checks. So she got done with radiation and chemo and all that kind of stuff for the first round, and now she's in between rounds, and so they did a GoFundMe to help them pay for medical expenses, and one of the first things that was on the GoFundMe was this shirt. We ended up getting 5 of them for the whole family, and my husband's was wearing his out and about town, and everybody's been loving it. And I haven't worn it yet. This is the first time I've worn it because I've been working nonstop, so I don't want to wear something underneath my scrubs that I actually want to show people. So at least not yet, until it's like, you know, a little bit more softer to wear on the inside of scrubs. But anyway, today's video, like I said, was very impromptu, and it's because we are out of the product. And so the product is LA's Totally Awesome Laundry Detergent. So you guys will know, if you're watching my channel for any amount of times, that I have been partial to the laundry strips being an eco-friendly option and being zero waste and everything, and I have liked those, but I have not been able to afford to get more. The bad thing about some of the eco products is that they do cost a little bit extra, but the extra is a little bit more justified because there are a lot more different things that go into creating these zero waste products. But I digress. I have not been able to purchase more, which they are in my shopping cart on several websites. I carry them. Sorry, my dog is playing in the background with my daughter. So sometimes we just need to have a backup. So this was one of the backups, and as you guys know, I mentioned that our cat has recently crossed the Rainbow Bridge. So our other cats were going just a little crazy in the lead up to her passing, and they're all fixed, by the way. They've been marking territory, and they've been going to the bathroom so much that this is a wicker chair from the outside. Yes, we brought in our wicker furniture, and we had to get rid of all of our other furniture because the cats were just going crazy. So many loads of laundry, guys, between the pillows, the couch blankets, between the cleanup rags, between all the towels and everything that have been used. Basically every day something had to be washed. So we did a good amount of hand scrubbing, and we did a good amount of just cleaning and cleaning. Like every morning everything was covered. My guess was that the cats were sensing that our other cat wasn't doing well, and they wanted to cover up that smell. But one of our cats is still kind of doing it right now, so I have no clue. We gotta take her to the vet and figure out what's wrong with her. So there has to be something going on. This is not just a coincidence. But anyway, we ran through so much detergent, so we decided to try this because it was only $1. We got 2 of them, and this one is completely empty now, so that's why I have this right here, or else I wouldn't be able to hold it this well. But this is $1. I think it's usually sold at like the Dollar Trees and everything, but we found this at Big Lots, 35th Avenue and Greenway, Big Lots out here in Phoenix. If anybody is looking to get this, if they're interested in trying it, because I don't know if I've actually seen it at other Big Lots, but that is the one that we got this one from. So I'm going to go ahead and insert a little clip of us doing laundry this morning because, well, the pillows that are in the clip, they didn't get heat on or sprayed on, but they didn't have the greatest smell to them, so I went ahead and cleaned them. They might have been spot cleaned earlier in the week, but they were just at that point where they had to be cleaned. And then there was a couple other little things I threw in there just to see how it did in the wash. So, roll the clip. Okay friends, so these are just a couple things that I was throwing into the washer. This is a pillow. You can't really see a bunch of stain marks on it, but this is one of the ones that was a frequent victim of the cat stirring when I was letting you know of our cat being sick. And the washcloth in there, it just had some dirt from cleaning up where the potting soil was dropped over here by the window. And then this blanket is just a blanket that gets thrown on the floor a lot, so it's got some floor stains. And the same thing with this. This is a little cover that usually sits on a table under a lamp, but it's been on the floor a lot lately, I think because the baby likes it. And then here is our detergent, and I'm only going to put 1 capful in. And our washing machine, if it makes any difference, is a Samsung like eco washer. So if it makes any difference at all what type of washer you guys use, I don't think it does, but according to the LA's Totally Awesome, it is a stain lifter laundry detergent with a clean, fresh scent, and it does 21 loads. So this was actually the last load that I was able to use out of this container, this particular container in this clip right here. So, and then here is the after. They don't look bad at all. You can see this one is a little bit more wider, but this one was not the one that had the potting soil on it. That was another one I had tossed in. And then this one is the one that had the potting soil. So you can still see a little bit of stainage, and there's like an older stain right over here on the edge that I didn't think was a stain at first, but it is a stain. So, but it's an older stain, so I didn't expect that to come off anyway. And then the pillow looks fantastic, and it smells very good. Okay, so you guys saw in both of those clips that what they look like going in the washer and then what they look like coming out of the washer. The one towel that had the extra like dirt and stuff onto it, that one was the second one that I was showing you guys. Not the folded one, but the flat one that I was showing you guys. And like there is a little bit of staining. It does say that it's a stain lifter, but we can get a little bit better shot on that stain lifter. It's been pretty okay, but like we didn't get it for the stains. We mainly got it because, you know, we had to have more of a laundry detergent. It does smell good. It has, I don't know what the smell is exactly. It says it's clean, fresh scent, but it smells good. It's fine. So overall, for $1, this is not very bad at all. It's 21 loads, and basically this cap is the amount like I showed you guys in the video, just that amount. And then you can do 2 of those caps if you have like extra dirty stuff. But yeah, we've just been using it. We haven't been using it on our clothing. We've just been using it on like the stuff that's been peed on and stuff. So for the purpose that we got it for, it works well. I asked my mother-in-law this morning how well she liked it, and she said it was really great for $1. That, you know, $1, you're not expecting a whole bunch, but it's going way above and beyond for $1. And my husband does enjoy it. He said that it does work, but like I said, we haven't used it on clothes. We've just used it on cleaning things and all that kind of stuff. So as a backup product, it's really great. Thumbs up, 10 out of 10. I don't know if we'll be replacing our normal laundry soap, because other than the laundry strips that we use, my mother-in-law likes to use Tide when we can afford it. The Tide Sport, which is really good with scrubs, guys. If you guys are interested in the Tide products, Tide Sport works really great on scrubs. And the Pure Cell is what we usually use because it is a cheaper product, but it is a product that works. And like I said, I've been looking more into the eco-friendly ones, so I like the strips. So a range of opinions of what we like with laundry detergent, but we all can agree that this product is really great for $1, and it's probably definitely gonna get made into a permanent product as long as we can keep finding it. So yeah, and like I said, I think it's usually carried at Dollar Tree, but we found this one at Big Lots. So really short video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite LA's Totally Awesome product, if you've tried this product, because I know they make other amazing products. That's why they're called LA's Totally Awesome, and everybody loves them. All the Dollar Tree community absolutely loves them. But if you guys have tried a different product or have tried this product, let me know in the comments below. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not subscribed, because the majority of you guys are not subscribed. It's fine. I love all my 51 subscribers, and I would love you to join the numbers so we can keep going. And also, if you guys think that this video, if you guys know somebody that would like this video, or somebody who's seen this product and is not sure if they want to try it, even though it's just $1, so it's basically a it's like, it's one of those things that you can afford to try because it's $1, but some of us can't. I know I can't most months. But if you guys know anybody that would like to see this video and like to see this review, please go ahead and share it with them. I'd love to see them over here. And thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!